You think your job is stable. That's the dangerous part. Because the people getting replaced also thought that. Not last year, not someday, now. So let me ask you something. If AA replaced you tomorrow, would anyone notice? Here's where it gets uncomfortable. AI doesn't replace jobs. It replaces predictable value. And most people are more predictable than they think. You follow instructions. You repeat patterns. You solve known problems. That's exactly what AI is built for. Job number 1, customer support. Not because it's low skill, because it's repeatable. Same questions, same answers, same scripts. AI doesn't get tired, it doesn't need breaks, and it learns faster than you. So what happens when your experience becomes a dataset? Repetition is becoming a liability. Job number 2, basic content creation. Not creativity, execution. Writing captions, editing clips, posting content. AI already does it faster and cheaper. So ask yourself, are you creating or just assembling? This is the part nobody talks about. People think they're in the creator economy, but they're just content operators. Speed beats effort now. Job number 3, data entry and analysis. Not because data isn't valuable, because humans are slow at reading patterns. AI sees connections instantly, while you're still opening Excel. So what's your edge? If it's measurable, it's replaceable. Job number 4, junior coding roles. Yeah, even that. Because AI doesn't just write code, it improves it, debugs it, optimizes it in seconds. So the real question is, why hire someone to do what AI already does better? Skill alone isn't protection anymore. Job number 5, middle management. Not leadership, coordination, meetings, reports, decisions based on data. AI can already do that, without ego, without delay. So what are you actually managing? Information is no longer power. Now pause for a second. This isn't about jobs, it's about identity. Because most people don't just lose income, they lose who they thought they were. I'm a manager, I'm a creator, I'm a specialist. But what happens when that role disappears? Here's the contradiction. The safer your job feels, the more exposed you are, because you stop adapting. Comfort hides risk. And this creates something dangerous: silent pressure. You feel it, but you don't name it. You scroll. You watch others win online. You tell yourself, I should start something, but you don't. Why? Because uncertainty feels risky, but staying the same feels safe, even when it's not. Stability can be an illusion. So people wait. They wait for clarity, for certainty, for the right time. But AI doesn't wait. It improves every day, quietly. And this is where everything shifts. The game was never about your job. It was about your adaptability. Your ability to move before you're forced to. But most people won't. They'll stay inside the pattern, doing what worked yesterday, hoping it still works tomorrow. Hope is not a strategy. So what's actually happening?
You're not competing with AI. You're competing with your own inertia. This is what's happening. The world is shifting faster than identity. Most people stay inside it because changing feels uncomfortable, uncertain. But once you see it, you stop reacting the same way. You stop asking, "Is my job safe?" and start asking, "Am I adaptable?" And maybe this was never about your job. It was about how long you could avoid changing.